Model 2020 Peugeot Boxer L3H2 2.2 HDI Professional Euro 6 Spares OR Repairs. Body white, panel van. Mileage 92,531. MOT the 30th of January 2024. Engine 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine is seized. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, parking sensors, 2 keys, sat-nav, cruise control, air-con, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.